Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. I purchased two of the Cirque No Tools color nail art kits. I have Amethyst and Shibori. These are sheer polishes created so you can make amethyst nail art or tie-dye nail art just by using the jelly polishes in the bottle with their normal brushes. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. There are 3 different polishes in each collection box, which makes them a completely awesome deal. Each bottle of Cirque polishes usually run around $12.50 a bottle, so this makes this an incredible deal at getting each set for $21.60. They also have some other awesome things on clearance right now, so you might want to check that out. Right now, let's make some nail art. For the amethyst look, I'll be using thistle sheer. And here is 3 coats on a swatch stick. Also, I'll be using this one, and this is lilac jelly. And here is 3 coats on a swatch stick. And the last one in this trio, royal jelly. Here is 3 coats on a swatch stick. First, I'll be applying base coat. I'm going to put a second coat on. Now I'm just going to kind of make a blob. Hopefully this nail will resemble an amethyst. I'm just going to take a bit of royal jelly, put it in there. I'm going to put a bit of thistle sheer in here. Going back in with a little bit of the royal jelly. And then a little bit of the lilac jelly around the edges some more. Kind of play at it and you get some, spots where you can see the underneath color. That's actually a good thing because it'll look more rock-like. Of course, if you have tools like thin brushes, you can probably make it even more authentic looking. While you're doing this, you could just be looking at a real amethyst picture. See how it kind of looks. And just make sure you wipe off your brush a little bit before you stick it back in the bottle. And when you're done, then just put your top coat on, smooth everything out. Here's the finished mani. I just wanted the amethyst part to be accent nails, so I just paired it up with a dark purple polish that matched the royal jelly. I like how it came out. This is pretty cool. This set contains French blue sheer, and here is 3 coats on a swatch stick. It also includes cobalt jelly, and this is 3 coats on a swatch stick. And the last one in this set is indigo jelly. Here is 3 coats on a swatch stick. I thought I would start out with a couple of coats of French blue sheer, and I thought instead of doing tie-dye that I would try to do a lapis look with these 3. Now I'm taking some indigo jelly if you kind of like jam your brush into it a little, then you get some patchiness, which is what I'm going for. I'm just going to take a little bit of the cobalt jelly and just kind of swipe it around. To make it look like lapis, I'm just going to take some gold flakes, some like a gold glitter topper, and I do believe that Cirque Colors has one also, so if you're picking up this, you can just pick up a glitter topper if you want to make a lapis look. Then just add a top coat. Here's the whole mani. Again, I just wanted to use my kit for accent nails. So if you add the gold flecks, then it kind of looks like lapis. If you don't, it'll look more like tie-dyed. So there's 2 different looks you can do this with this kit, so that is pretty awesome. I'm kind of loving that. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.